Hi, and welcome to Lab 2 of the Port Swigger Academy SQL Injection Path. Today we are going to look at the lab that is the SQL injection vulnerability allowing login bypass. If we look here, it says this lab contains an SQL injection vulnerability in the login function. To solve the lab, perform an SQL injection attack that logs in to the application as the administrator user. And again, I have written up some things to remember. Only one thing to remember: the vulnerability is in the login function, and of course our goal is to log in as administrator. Before we jump in the lab, I am going to use Burp Suite, and I just wanted to point out something that I had difficulty with. If you set up your proxy for Burp Suite, which I'll make another video for that, or you can find several videos on YouTube, Google Port Swigger, Burp Suite, proxy setup. They have a good walkthrough there. But if you have it all set up and you try to access the lab, it's going to give you this error and it won't let you continue. So what you'll need to do is go to your no proxy, access the lab, and then once the lab is loaded up, then you'll need to switch it to the manual proxy that will let you use Burp Suite. Alright, now that we've gotten that out of the way, here we are. And again, it's our simple shop. We've seen this shop before. We have our items here. If you notice, we don't even have a category, but what we do have is a home and a My Account. And so we'll click My Account. Alright, here we are. Okay, so we'll just advance. We'll accept the risk and continue. I don't normally recommend that, but we've done that on purpose because we're running Burp Suite. And we have our username and our password login. And to start us off, we can just go with test, and we'll just do test again, and we'll log in. And the reason why I wanted to run Burp Suite is I think visually it helps to see this. So I've already started up Burp Suite, and we'll turn our interceptor on. And that means it will capture things. It will capture things like ping pong. Okay, and it will keep going like that. So, yeah. So once we hit login, it's going to capture the request. Hit login. We don't need to save. And so now you see how it's not progressing forward. So we go over here to Burp Suite, and here we go. And you see this is a post command, and it's our login. So as you can see here, if you look down at the bottom, you see our username, which test is what we've put in, and the password, which is test. So we'll forward this, and of course it is an invalid username or password. So now let's try administrator. As you can see, I've already done this before. And we'll put the in quote, and we'll put the comment side, and then it really doesn't matter. This does not matter at this point. And we hit login, and we go back to our Burp Suite. All right, and here we go. So now you see it's administrator, and you see our comment. So all of this, the server side will take that as a comment, so it won't even process it. And we'll forward. We'll just actually take the intercept off. And there we are. Congratulations, we have solved the lab. Thanks for watching.